I would like to know, people say DevOps all the time. And I have asked this question and I seem to get a very long-winded answer that makes me doze off in the middle. Can you tell me in a nutshell, for somebody who knows nothing about DevOps, what is DevOps?
What I usually say to people when they ask me what I do, and for some reason I don't just say computers and stuff.
Computers.
I say that DevOps are the people that look after the servers that run your websites. Now, that is a ridiculous understatement.
Right.
Okay. So let's take it back a bit to really weed out what DevOps actually is, because there's DevOps as a concept, as a framework, as a way of working. And then there is DevOps, which has been adopted as a job role for engineers in the software.
And are they two different things?
They are two different things that are related.
Okay.
So the word DevOps comes from the amalgamation of the words developer or development and operations or operator. And there are two distinct concepts within software development. So building software, building either tools or websites, whatever it may be. If it takes code to build it, it's a software engineering organization. So a developer is a software engineer. An operations person is someone that provisions servers. So you may have your servers, your networking, generally making sure that whatever the developers have made has a place to run and it runs nicely. And the concept of DevOps is or was created to break down the wall, the divide that existed between developers and operations teams. So what you would have is very much a solid brick wall between the two teams, and they would be throwing work over that wall to one another. With indistinct accountability, responsibility for these systems. So that's what Dev and Ops is. Does that make sense?
Yes, that does make sense. So how long do you think this has existed in its current form? This feels to me like a relatively new thing, but I don't know whether that is true.
Yeah, it's hard to put a time or date on when DevOps emerged as a practice or a framework or even a role. I would say that my familiarity with DevOps has been around for maybe 8 years, nine years. That being said, I would say that as my career has grown, I've headed towards that field. So it probably existed, in some time, maybe 15 years ago, even more. And the ideas, there's a great book actually called The Phoenix Project.
I know it. I have it.
You have it? Oh.
Yeah, I do.
Brilliant. Yeah, that's very much about moving to this kind of DevOps way of thinking and an agile way of working, right? So, and the concept is there that DevOps actually originated outside of software engineering in manufacturing and factories, and how they got their supply chain, their kind of this conveyor system of work going through all these different departments to work smoothly and without barriers. So that concept was then adapted into what we know as DevOps.